Dr. Hans Burchard, Department of Physical Oceanography and Instrumentation, Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Germany. Thank you, everyone. May I also request Senior Professor S. Krishnan, Dean, School of Biological Sciences and Biotechnology, to present a fruit offering to Professor Dr. Joanna Vaniek. I request Professor Vidyadatta Verinkar, Dean, School of Chemical Sciences, to present a memento to Dr. Ralph Prien. And Senior Professor Sandeep Garg, Director, Directorate of Internships, Incubation and Industry Partnership, to Dr. Janika Reineccius. I also request Senior Professor Ramesh Pai, Dean, School of Physical and Applied Sciences, to present a fruit basket to Dr. Bronwyn K. Hill. We thank all of you once again for enriching this occasion with your gracious presence. May I now invite Senior Professor Sanjeev C. Gadi, Director, Directorate of Research, Development and Resource Mobilization, to give us a brief overview of the Memorandum of Understanding that we are on the verge of signing.
Good morning. A warm welcome to our Chief Guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, respected Honorable Minister of Environment, Captain of Ports, Law and Judiciary, and Legislative Affairs, Shri Alexia Sequeria. We are also honored to have with us the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Senior Professor Harilal P. Menon, and Professor Dr. Olivier Zelensky, Director of Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. Professor Dr. Hans Burchard, the research delegates from the IOW, Registrar of Goa University, Professor Sundar Dhuri, deans, vice deans, faculty members, officers, Goa University and IUW come together to sign this memorandum of understanding. The MOU entitled Comparative Interdisciplinary research on variability and trends in estuary and coastal scales and boundaries, coastal seas in transition, and emerging technologies enabling advancement in marine sciences. Goa University, a higher education and learning center at Goa University and IOW, is centered on working together to increase our understanding of coastal and estuarine waters, identifying and measuring how coastal and estuarine water responds to the effect of climate change, and it is one of the joint of the MOU. The collaborative activities will include supporting reciprocal research visits, joint research proposals, high caliber scientific publication, joint workshops, information transfer, and enhancing research capability. The partnership will drive the development and application of advanced technologies such as in situ optics of human activity and climate change. Goa University and IOW are working together to improve our knowledge and ability to manage coastal and estuarine system. The collaboration will contribute to economic benefits by addressing issues like overfishing, tourism impacts, and pollution, thereby ensuring the sustainability of the local industries. The research aims to protect and restore marine habitats, benefiting biodiversity and ensuring the long-term health of the coastal ecosystem. The collaboration will also improve public health by reducing the waterborne diseases and other health issues related to environmental degradation, and increasing resilience to climate change. By achieving this outcome, the partnership between Goa University and IAW will significantly contribute to understanding and managing coastal and estuarine environments in Goa and Baltic. See, all things considered, the collaboration between Goa University and IW has the potential profound sense of purpose. The MOU between Goa University and IOW is a testament to what we can achieve when we pool our resources and align our goals. It underscores the power of unity and the boundless potential that arises from synergistic effort. The signing of this MOU marks a significant milestone in our collective efforts to push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. Goa University is excited to work with IW, leveraging a combined expertise to tackle complex.
It is my honor to now invite Professor Dr. Oliver Zielinski, Director, Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany, to deliver his opening remarks.
First of all, I want to express my sincere gratitude for welcoming us here. So warm and that we are really looking forward to this exchange of scientific perspectives over the next year. In 2022, this cooperation was further deepened through a partnership for green and sustainable development signed by India's Prime Minister Modi and Germany's Chancellor Scholz. It's no exaggeration to say that India has been and remains of putting the ocean and the coast into the focus of G20 work. That was officially launched last year in Brazil. And it underlines the pivotal role that Raman I'd like to quote that Raman said, "Science is a language that transcends boundaries. It is a universal tool for understanding the world." I wish everybody a happy Science Day. Daniel.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the hands Kasturi, members of the delegation, researchers from Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, between Goa University and the renowned Leibniz Institute of Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, or IOW as their maintenance of blue economy in coastal waters through different perspectives such as coastal optics and remote sensing, sediment transport and numerical modeling, microbiology, marine microplastics, development of sensors and integration of artificial intelligence. Simulations of coastal waters is yet another powerful tool. Through sophisticated concept computation models and integration of satellite and in situ data, we can predict coastal erosion, assess the impacts of climate change and optimize marine resource management. These simulations will not only guide our policy decisions, but also prepare us for natural calamities for many Goans. Stands to benefit immensely from this initiative. By combining scientific research with cutting-edge technology, we can promote sustainable fishing practices across India. Our Chief Minister, as part of this initiative, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has also undertaken a study or entrusted a study to deltaris from Netherlands. Through undertaking measures of climate change, we ensure that the economy simultaneously grows. The partnership that we have through this MOship, the necessary infrastructure, funding and policy, of course, with the approval of Dr. Pramod Sawant. But in short, what would I like to say? That we will walk hand in hand with you all, for at the end of the day. Having said that, I'm also sure that IOW might have selected Goa University because they know that Goa University too has undertaken studies, and therefore I believe it's going to be an exercise for mutual study. Conditions prevailing here, conditions prevailing in Germany. Jointly, they would come out with their ultimate report, which we would all be looking forward to. As I conclude, I would like to emphasize once again that the MOU is a promise to our environment and to future generations. It is a step towards a harmonious balance between economic growth and ecological preservation. Let us therefore work together to transform this vision into a reality, creating a legacy of sustainability.
Pramod Sawant to share his valuable thoughts on the occasion.
Good morning, students. Hi, good morning, म्हटलंय. सगळ्यात पहिले सायन्स डेचे तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. CV रामन हांकां आमी सगळे जाण आज याद करता. हाच्या खासा सुवाळ्याक सुरवात करच्या पयलीं ज्या मोगाळ भयणींनी सुंदर अशें नृत्य सादर केलें तांच्या खातीर नेटान एकदां ताळयो. ज्यांच्यांनी स्वागत गीत सादर केलें मिस्टर अलेक्स सिक्वेन, त्याच बरोबर प्रोफेसर ओलिव झेलिन्स्की, ताज्या उपरांत प्रोफेसर हान्स ताजे उपरांत जे वायस चान्सलर श्री Menon. This collaboration is an essential step towards exploring and expanding the blue economy through pioneering research, innovation, and global partnership. This MOU is designed to enhance the knowledge, to promote technology advances, and foster the innovative solutions in a critical areas such as blue water economy, sensor development, and numerical simulation. Reach and long-standing relationship with sea, maritime heritage, fisheries, tourism, and marine enterprises are the integral part of our society and economy. As we evolve, and we must move from the traditional method of resource use, both profitable and environmental responsible. Marine renewable energy. Harnessing the energy from waves, tides, and offshore winds in a sustainable manner. The role of the sense for fisheries, coastal zones, and marine infrastructure. The plan better for the disaster preparedness and environmental conservation. This partnership between Goa University and leading German research institute unites the technical experts, innovative research, and global perspectives. Our students and research scholars will benefit greatly through international exposures and cultural exchange. The joint research project that opens the new possibilities, access to cutting-edge scientific resource and facilities. These collaborations also strengthen Goa's role in contributing to global marine research and sustainable solutions. The government's commitment on behalf of the government of Goa, I assure you, ecosystem that promotes sustainability, innovation, and economic progress. In conclusion, today's MOU is much more than a signed document. It is a commitment to share the vision of thriving and sustainable blue economy. Through this landmark partnership, we will set an example in responsive partners shaped to the legacy of sustainability, progress and scientific excellence. हे सगळें सोपयता आसतना हांव मुद्दामून अनेक मेन्शन करतलो. विकसीत भारत 2047चे स्वप्न साकार करता आसतना तो तुमचो टायअपूय आसा. हांव अशें म्हणना, युनिवर्सिटीचो तेंच्या कडेन टायअपूय आसा. भितरली कित्याक आमी जो पर्यंत वोकल फॉर लोकल उलयना पळय न्ही तो पर्यंत जावचें ना. वी हॅव टू टॉक वोकल फॉर लोकल एंड देन वोकल फॉर ग्लोबल. आमी आज ग्लोबली MOU सायन करता आसत जाल्यार आमकां गोंयांत कसलेली रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट खबर आसप गरजेची आसा. एनीवन फ्रॉम स्टुडंट सायड, आय एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर द टिचर्स. हांव तांकां विचारता, आय एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर, आय एम द सायन्स स्टुडंट, आय एम नॉट अ रिसर्चर. NIO कोण तो उबो राव? ना उबो राव मरे, बरोबर आसा तुजें. कोण उबो रावलो तो? ताका ताळयो मारा सगळे जण. नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी, which is the institute आजूय बी थंयसर रिसर्च करपाक, PhD करपाक स्कॉलर्स फ्रॉम द ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया त्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनान येता आनी रिसर्च करता वेगवेगळे. दुसरें इन्स्टिट्यूट खंयचें? खंयचें सांग. अच्छा, it is a national center for polar oceanography center. ओके, कोण कोण गेला विजिट केल्या? कोणी हात वयर करचो? 1 2 3 तरी बरेच गेल्या. व्हेरी गुड. हांव स्वता गेला. कोणी एक्सपिरियन्स केला अंटार्क्टिका वचपाक? एटलिस्ट हांव म्हणटा फील कोणी केला काय म्हणटा? एनीवन हॅज फील म्हणजे तो क्लायमेट आनी एनवायरमेंट कसो आसतलो? कोणी तो? एस एस उबे राव, उबे राव. तू वचून आयला का? ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. सगळ्यांना ताळयो मारा. ट्रू, म्हणजे आमचे एक युनिव्हर्सिटी स्टुडंट जर असत तर आम्ही ओके, शीज टीचर. ओके ओके, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. नेक्स्ट, आणि खंयचे? आणि खंयचे इन्स्टिट्यूट? खबर आसप गरजेचें आसा म्हणून हांवें विचारलां, आनी काय ना. अदर हांव पयलीं म्हणटा, आय एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर. हांवें इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टुडंट्सांक आसप हें गरजेचें आसा. वीच आनी एक आसा खंयचे? वीच म्हाका ना जाल्यार टिचरांक विचारचें पडटलें. ICR कोणी म्हटलें आत्तां? कोणी म्हटलें? कोणी म्हटलें तोच उबो राव, वगीच उबो राव नाका. कोणी म्हटलें? ICR कोणी म्हटलें? गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी येता. ओके, ICR. नेक्स्ट, आणि एक आसा ICRन विजीट कोणी कोणी केला? खूप जाणांनी केला. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. हांव रेग्युलर ICRन वचपी, नॉट एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर बट एज अ स्टुडंट म्हणूनय ICRन वचपी. हांव आमदार जावच्या पयलीं गेला थंयसर. जाल्यार बरेच जाण म्हणटाले तुका आपयता आसतले गेस्ट म्हणून वता म्हणून. नॉट एज अ गेस्ट बट टू सी एज अ ICR वॉट इट इज. आमदार जावच्या पयलीं गेल्लो. नाव आय एम रेग्युलरली विजिटींग द ICR. दे आर डुईंग वेरियस रिसर्च in agriculture, animal, on various sectors they are doing the research. Okay, and which is an India coastal institute for the agriculture research in various sectors. त्यांच्यानी स्पेशली रिसर्च गोंया खातीर खंयचो जर केला आसत, which is on a कपिला गाय. कपिला गायचेर त्यांच्यानी रिसर्च केला, which is our own breed. They are doing the research. आनी खंयचे इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा? आनी खंयचे आसा? बेगीन. आनीकूय इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा? By the grace of Honorable Prime Minister, newly one institute had started in the state of Goa. टीचरांक सांगचें पडटलें आतां. Ayush म्हणा नांव. Ayush हांव जाणा. Being an Ayurvedic doctor, I know. And Ayush is not doing the research in the blue economy. I am talking only about the blue economy.
वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स.
वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स कोणी म्हटलं?
रिपोर्टरांच
म्हटलंय. त्याच्या खातीर ताळयो वाजयल्या. नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स इट इज इन दोनापावला. खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात डिप्लोमा, डिग्री, डिफरंट कोर्सेस, and it is again related to the blue economy. is again related to the blue economy. It is the National Institute of the Water Sports. And एक उरले लास्ट ते सांगताना हांव सोंपयता माझे भाशण. ONGC सरान सांगलें मिस्टर वेरेकर सर त्याच्या खातीर ताळयो मारात. ऑफकोर्स ONGC फॉर द लास्ट खबर ना जाल्यार सांगता हांव लास्ट ONGC चो ऑल टुगेदर सेमिनार कितें म्हणटा तो विथ वॉट सेमिनार लास्ट टायम ऑर्गनायज ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर विजिटेड इंटरनॅशनल international convention in blue economy only. ONGC has organized and approximately the 35 countries have visited for their last seminar. Honorable Prime Minister has inaugurated that and 35 countries people and everything is related to the blue economy. Everything. जे गोंयांत किती व्हडली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तुमच्या खातीर अवेलेबल आसा म्हाका दिसता ताजोय फायदो सगळ्या जाणांनी घेवपाक जाय आनी हो जर फायदो घेतलो आसत जाल्यार ताजो आमकां खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात फायदो जावपाक शकता अँड एट लास्ट द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाचे एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट खूब बरें काम करता बायोडायवर्सिटी आनी तितूंतल्या तितूर वीच इज एन बायोडायवर्सिटी 25 wetland we have already identified, we have notified. First, again, this is a wetland subject is related to the blue economy. Why subject to the blue economy कडे related असा म्हणून हांव आयचो जो MOU साइन केला ताच्या बद्दल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता बट युनिव्हर्सिटीन थोडे एग्रीमेंट हांच्या बरोबर साइन केला आसतले आय थिंक ONGC बरोबर ना जाल्यार ONGC बरोबर तांच्यांनी साइन करचो ऑल्सो दे कॅन साइन वन विथ अवर एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट which is doing the good work in environment. आज हांवें फक्त बायोडायवर्सिटीचो आमचो बुक हाडला which I am one giving for the professor from the Germany and one for the Menon also for the two books I am handovering of the biodiversity for the university on the science day which is very much useful. तुम्ही कोणी अजून पळोवंक ना आसतले कारण सरकारी खूब बरें काम करता हे युनिव्हर्सिटी पण करपाक जाय जॉयंट कोलॅबोरेशन आसत जाल्यार खूब बरें जातलें हांव इतकेंच सांगता आनी परत एकदा सायन्स डेच्यो तुमकां खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आनी म्हाजे भाशेन सोंपयता जय हिंद जय भारत.
Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Thank you, sirs. And now the moment we've been waiting for to ink and seal this momentous collaboration between two esteemed educational institutions, Goa University and Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Warnemuende, Germany. I'm honored to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Professor Harilal B. Menon, and Professor Dr. Oliver Zelensky, Director of Leibniz Institute for Baltic Sea Research, Germany, for the ceremonial signing of the MOU. This partnership which we are witnessing today reflects a shared vision for advancing research, innovation, cultural exchange and mutual growth.